Welcome to MyKe Kids. Are you thinking of creating stunning pictures like this, like a previous one like this, like that, or any other one like this, or the perfect one like this? And keep watching. So on blog, I'm trying to look for an image for this post. Watch me. Now, Pixel Web and then Pixels, it's difficult for me to get the accurate pictures for this blog post, alright? I've been searching a whole lot and I'm not trying to find these right pictures for this blog post. So then I'm going to be working with these two AI tools, yes. So I'm going to work with ChatGPT. And also I'm using ChatGPT, I'll be using Meta AI, yes. Now, Meta AI is a tool, I think that was developed from the owner of Facebook, that is Mark Zuckerberg. Right from that side, yes. So Meta AI is an American company owned by Meta. Yes, that is from Facebook. Right? So right on blog, I'm going to copy the title of the post. All right, then I'm going to go to ChatGPT. Then what I'm going to tell ChatGPT to do is I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write or describe an image that will fit the blog post I'm writing. All right. So I'm also going to add a title to the blog post that I'm actually telling ChatGPT to create or describe a picture for it for me, all right? And just watch something. This is very, very perfect. Looks perfect to me, yes. And this is the description from ChatGPT on the image or the title, top 5 low competition niches. Yes, so I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to head on to Meta AI. Then right on Meta AI, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell Meta AI to create a picture for me using the description that I'm going to give to it here. So the description I copied from ChatGPT is what I'm going to give to Meta AI. So I'm going to tell it, I want you to generate an image for me using the below description. Yes. So I'm going to write that and I'm going to paste that description into it. Then send it to Meta AI. Once I have sent this to Meta AI, just take let's look at how this magic is going to work. Just imagine cool pictures from the description I gave to them. Oh, I gave to Meta AI. Yes. So this is an image that has been generated from Meta AI to me. Now, these images are cool. You can even choose to regenerate the images you want to other images that you want. It will still work with the same description that you have given to Meta AI. And Meta AI is going to generate new images based on that description again for you. So once you are having this, you just click on these 3 buttons and then download them. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to open this file and then edit it. Yes, I'm only going to be using Paint application to do this. I'm going to open with Paint application. So now watch me do this edit on Paint application. You don't need Photoshop. You don't need any other high quality kind of photo editing app. No, this kind of symbol here, I don't like it. So watermark, yes. So I'm just going to use the shape tools and then fill color. Actually, I'm going to change this thing to a different kind of color. Yes, this pin doesn't need any kind of skill for you. Yes, so I'm just going to keep on editing. Actually, I'll be trying to change this side here. So I'll make it ME being MyKe Educate. Yes, the short one for MyKe Educate. For the it's too large for me to fit in that circle. Yes, so I'm going to change that to something else. I think 48 is far better. Yes, and I think yes, this is perfect. This one fits for that side. So now this watermark is out from there. Yes, this image is now mine. If you want these fonts, I've put that in the description box, so you can download it from the description box and then install it onto your computer so that you can use it on your computer. So I'm going to zoom out, then I'm going to let me extend this side. Yes, then I'm going to fill it. Yes, I'll fill it with a black color. That will be better. So select black, fill. As I said, these fonts are in the description box, so if you need them, you can download this and then install it to your computer. Then I'm going to hit, I think, top 5 low competition niche. Now, let me select the other sub. Yes, this one is better. This is very long for it. So I'm going to just click inside and then paste that into it. Okay. Then I'm going to actually increase the size 10.5. No, 72. No, 72. No. Let me increase it to 120. Yes. Wow. And I think 120. Actually, yeah, it's okay. 120 is okay. I just need to. No. Okay, so white. Yes, perfect. I just need to put certain things down there and then rearrange them. Then I think everything is going to be fine and perfect. Wow. So, top 5 low competition niche. Yes, perfect. Center aligning and then that. Perfect. So just imagine I'm using Paint application and I've been able to create something like this. I'm going to just save it as PNG. Yes. Then this is too long. The name is very long, so I'm saving it to the desktop, and I'm going to only work with the keyword for this image or for the post I'm writing. That is, I can low competition niche. So low competition niche. Yes, perfect. So I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to upload it to my blogger post that I'm trying to write. All right. So this is it. Creating space here. Then let me select it from the desktop. Okay. So browse. Then all right. So low competition. Open. Perfect. So I'm all right with the out. I'm going to put in the same kind of here. The attributes I'm going to put in the same. Then increase the size, and then that preview, and just look at how nice and wonderful this is. I really love using this ChatGPT and Meta AI to create these kinds of pictures. Very simple to do. Please don't forget to subscribe and then hit the like button and wait for the next video. Thanks for watching also.